Add, remove, and disable plants. Let's learn how to add, remove, and disable plants. To remove a plant, just go to the Detect Plant list and select a plant. It will open the plant details screen. At the bottom right corner, you will see the plus button again. When you tap it, three action buttons will appear. Save and close, disable plant, and remove plant. To remove it, just tap remove plant. To disable a plant, do the same thing. Choose a plant and tap disable plant. Once a plant is disabled, you can enable it again anytime by tapping the enable plant button that will appear on the right side of the detected plant list. Now, to add a plant, tap the plus button on the bottom right corner of the plant section. A few action buttons will appear. Choose Setup Actions. Then three more buttons will show up. Tap Add Plant. A model window will appear where you can add or remove plants from the list. After you're done, simply tap Cancel or X button to close the model. And that's how you add, remove, and disable plants.